Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best foldable phones, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best foldable phone options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which foldable phones is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Samsung makes a second appearance in this guide, this time for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. There is a lot to love about this little device. Firstly, just the size of it. The Z Flip 6 looks like any other phone normally, but it folds horizontally across the middle, making it tiny when folded. That alone might make it a slam dunk for you, but there's a bit more to be excited about. In my Galaxy Z Flip 6 review, I praised the overall durable design and the excellent low-light camera performance, not to mention the overall speed of the phone. My biggest praise was easily for the upgrade from a 12MP main camera to a new 50MP main sensor. It offers brighter visuals and the ability to simulate a 2x zoom. When we compared it in our 200 photo shoot out between the Galaxy Z Flip 6 Vs, Motorola Razr Plus, it pulled ahead with ease. Number 2. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open gives us everything we want in a foldable phone that we weren't getting before. It has great cameras, especially for portraits and selfies. It also has the best design of any big foldable phone, especially if you're willing to pay a bit more for the OnePlus Open Apex Edition, which comes in a crimson shadow color and includes 1 TB of storage inside. In classic O+1 fashion, the OnePlus Open is a flagship killer, so you get great specs, especially when it comes to the phone's performance and the great displays, inside and out. You also get a cool design, all for a lower price than most competitors. Don't be scared off by the phone's price tag. OnePlus is making it easy to get an even bigger discount if you have any phone to trade. The OnePlus Open admittedly comes with some compromises that you won't find on a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It isn't water resistant, while Samsung's phone can take a dunk underwater. It doesn't have S Pen support or a ton of great productivity features like Samsung has. Number 3. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the first foldable I've reviewed that feels completely normal no matter how you use it. The cover display is the exact same as the screen on the Google Pixel 9, no more and no less. The inner display is the largest screen ever stuffed into a foldable phone at the time. No matter how you use it, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is easy and satisfying. It has some AI tricks that are incredibly useful, other photo AI tools that are almost magical, and some photo reimagined tools that can be downright scary. However you feel about AI, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is definitely the best phone to give all of Google's AI advances a try. The cameras on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold are decent, with excellent zoom on par with the best camera phone. The image quality isn't quite as good as I'd hoped for such an expensive phone, but I can definitely see that foldable cameras are getting better. The Pixel 9 Pro. Number 4. Oppo Find N5. The Oppo Find N5 is a marvel of engineering and a generational step forwards for the folding phone category. Unfortunately, it's also very hard to buy. It's totally absent from the US, UK, and Europe. It's coming to Australia, but we don't have official pricing yet. So we won't include the Oppo Find N5 in our rankings, but we had to give it a mention thanks to its futuristic design and immense hardware power. As our review liberally mentions, the Oppo Find N5 is the thinnest tablet foldable phone in the world, and the thinnest folding phone after the tri-fold Huawei Mate XT. It's just 4.21 mm thin when unfolded, thinner than an iPad Pro, and 8.93 mm folded, which is just barely thicker than an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Somehow that's still enough space for a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a class-leaving 5,600 mAh battery. It also weighs about as much as a typical slab flagship, so it's easy to forget you're using a folding phone at all. At least until you open its massive inner display. Number 5. Motorola Razr. The Moto Razr packs an enormous 6.9-inch display into a compact package. Its 3.6-inch outer screen lets you run full apps and easily frame selfies with the 50MP camera. Although this device uses a MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chip to keep the cost down, it still performs adequately. Last but not least, the 4-200 mAh battery provides over 16 hours of battery life on a single charge. If you want to dip your toe into the world of foldable phones without spending a lot of money, the Motorola Razr is the best value on the market. It isn't as powerful as others, but still looks quite fashionable. Number 6. Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus makes the most of its generous external 4-inch display, letting you run virtually any app you want. Meanwhile, the high-resolution 6.9-inch inner PULED display provides plenty of real estate for typical smartphone tasks. The Razr Plus also sports an IPX8 rating, which means you can submerge it in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes if you want complete control over your foldable phone experience and to possibly even reduce your screen time. The Moto Razr Plus intuitively helps you take advantage of its 2 screens. Number 7. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the most feature-packed foldable phone you can buy by far. It has so many options for running multiple apps in multiple windows with productivity tools and shortcuts added throughout the system. It really is a power user's foldable phone, and it's perfect for business use. I'm not a big fan of the slimmer cover display, which Samsung says makes the phone easier to use one-handed while closed. Still, the power and performance of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are undeniable. This is the fastest foldable you can buy, and it's not even close. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 also has the best cameras of all the foldable phones I've tested. Samsung's camera modes shine when I'm taking food photos or nature close-ups. You won't be disappointed with the images you get from this phone. Unlike previous generations of foldable phones can create and host webinars from here easily,